In order to override default settings, you need to create a custom record in NetSuite. So let's go ahead and create a custom record to override 5 default settings. We'll go ahead and give the name CloudExtend Excel Custom Settings. The name itself is not super important. However, the field ID or the record ID that you use is really, really critical. Don't make a mistake here. Follow along with our help guide if you like. And go ahead and click on Save. Next, you're going to add a new field called CloudExtend Settings. However, the field ID, again, is critical. So make sure you get that field ID correct and follow along in our help guide. So now our custom record is all set and ready to receive values. So we're going to create 5 separate entries. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New. And the first field I'm going to set is called Upload Batch Size. And then I'm going to create Download Page Size. And these field names do need to be exact, by the way. Refresh batch size, delete batch size, and then last, treat warnings as errors. So now if you turn on direct list editing, you can start to add values for these fields. By default, CloudExtend uses batch sizes of 50. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the default settings for everything but refresh. I'm going to change refresh to 40. And treat warnings as errors, I'm going to set as true. And then upload batch size, we'll set that to 25.